We're here today to measure the pH levels in a lot of common bottled waters in our area. We have some tap water, local and a next town, and then we have filtration water. So we are going to test the pH levels so you can see how high or low the pH is, if it's acidic or if it's alkaline. What we're looking for is more of a green to a purple color, as you can see on the list we showed you. So it's 7 in the water is acidic. So if it's above 7, it's alkaline. So we want it to be more on the alkaline side. Minerals in the water doesn't just add taste to it and make it healthy, but they have a huge impact on the actual water's pH. And that's important because the body has a natural pH of 7.4. pH stands for potential hydrogen, and that refers to how much hydrogen is actually mixed in the water. So we want to look at a natural pH of 7.4, and this is the level that our bodies need to run efficiently, and it allows us to return to that state if we're drinking that level of water. So we're going to start over here with Nestle Pure Life, and we're going to put 3 drops in each one and stir it and see what color we come up with. It's looking a little greenish, a little yellow. Okay, so if we take a look at it, it's pretty green, so that looks more of like a 6.0. So that's pretty low. Next, we're going to do Sam's Purified Water, which is from Sam's Club. And it's looking pretty yellow, a little more yellow than the Nestle Pure Life. So that one's going to go more of a 5.0. It's even lower. So we're looking for darker colors here. Next is Dasani. That's a very popular water around here. And it's pretty golden. See what it's going to turn out to be. It's very yellow. And so it is a 5.0. So that's even lower than the Nestle and the Sam's. Next is Deja Blue. And that's also looking very gold. Again, looks like a 5.0, very low. And next we have Fiji water. More of an upscale water, more expensive. And there we go. There's a dark color we're looking for. That's more of a darker blue. So I'd say it's closer to an 8.0. So that's a number that we're looking for that we want to be drinking. Next we have Smart Water. Another very popular water for our healthy folks. See how healthy it is. That's looking pretty yellow. So yellow is, a little bit of green. But still, that's going to be low on the scale, maybe a 6.0. So we want to get higher numbers. So Smart Water is not something that is in the higher numbers. Next, we have the Central Market or HEB water. That's very blue. That looks good. That's getting closer to an 8.0. That's a really good color. Okay, next we have Core Hydration Water. It says perfect pH water. Let's see if it's going to be between the 7 and 9 we're looking for. That's a nice blue color. It's not quite as dark as the Central Market, but it's still better than the yellow colors. So that's not quite an 8. It's closer, in maybe a 7.5. Okay, now we're going to test Evian water. Alright. Again, that's running between a 7.5 getting towards an 8. So that has a higher level. And now we have Life Water, which is a pH balanced electrolyte water. That might be a 6.5, so it's a little lower. And now we have Aquahydrate. Looks like it says the pH should be a 9 or above on the bottle. But as we test it, it's looking more of maybe a 6.5. Okay, now we're going to test Aquafina. Aquafina is looking pretty yellow, more of a golden, maybe a 5.5. And now Ozarka. Again, Ozarka is pretty golden, maybe a 6.0. And now we have water from a filtration system, an aerobic filtration system. That's also very golden, maybe a 6.0. Here is a tap water from Rocket. Ooh, there we go. That one's pretty dark. Maybe an 8.5. And then last we have Waxahachie Texas tap water. And again, that one's pretty dark color blue that we're looking for. That one's a little closer to a 9.0. So that's a really good level that we're looking for. This is a simple test that you can do to check for pH. We just gathered a bunch of the local tap water and the bottled waters that are popular in the stores here in south of Dallas in Texas.